Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but life happens and I just thought what a perfect video to come back with than an unboxing of something really beautiful. I don't know why I like to watch unboxings a lot and even like reviews, so I just thought I would show you guys something that I recently got, and it's something that I don't have in my closet. I know every girl says it's not the same, but trust me, this is not the same. This is nothing, like there is nothing in my closet that is the same as this piece. I have I don't know, I can say I have random taste in certain heels, purses, and some that were gifted to me that I absolutely love. And one of my favorite brands of handbags that I've always loved throughout the years has been Guess. They never let me down. And so I will go ahead and get started. I am very comfortable today because I just wanted to film with you guys and just be myself today, not dress up. I just have very light makeup and I just want to give you guys this video. So if you guys like my videos, continue to watch. And you guys can subscribe. I think it's on this side or somewhere on the bottom. And then also don't forget to turn on the post notification little bell, and that'll notify you guys because I will be doing just random videos now. Maybe vlogs or maybe just unboxing. And one thing that I do have coming up, I won't spoil it, but just know it'll be kind of fun because my spicy noodle challenge was fun. It'll be something in the same category. So we'll go ahead and get started. So you guys can see it is a Guess handbag and it is a reusable bag. So it's really beautiful in itself, like just the reusable bag. And as my first ever video, I love reusable bags. So let's get started. So they put in here a little catalog of the fall 2018 Guess handbags, and also I believe there's like watches and a few of their clothing items and also accessories. Let me just show you one that I thought was really pretty. Let's see. Well, they're all kind of really pretty, and these girls are really beautiful on here too. Let's see. Well, I would say this pink dress, whoops, is really nice. It's really pretty. Well, pretty much everything on here I would say is really nice. Okay, so enough of this. This is really pretty, but let me get to the good part, okay? I threw everything on the floor. I'll pick it up later. So, do you guys want to see the big reveal? Let's see what's in here. I think you guys can kind of tell that there's something puffy here. So you guys can kind of see. This is my newest baby to my collection in my closet. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see. And you guys can take a look at the nice detail. These gold handles are so nice. I don't have anything like this, believe it or not. Everything, it's either like in the nude colors or florals or just very bright, and this one by far is a pop of color for this fall, and I love it. And I believe this is called the HAILEY, I don't remember, HAILEY something satchel, but I'll go ahead and link it in the description down below because I know you guys will want to check it out. Trust me, I fell in love with this bag. The moment I saw it, I said I have to have it. I don't have anything like this. And let's go ahead and take a look inside. Let's see. Everything is brand new, obviously. Ooh, they have really, I love their inside. They have two pockets on one side, a zipper on the other, and usually the zippers are very sturdy on these bags, and I absolutely love it. And what I love is that the zippers don't get stuck on any of my bags, at least as of now. I've gotten good batches of my purses because I have quite a few Guess bags. I love them. I feel like I would say they're affordable and they're so pretty and you're always in style. And one thing that I do want to do with this is I want to do a style me video, and I probably will pair it with some of my nice heels, and one pair that I have not showed you guys yet that I feel that will kind of go maybe like in a weird way, but it'll go, is one of my Steve Madden heels, my stilettos, and those are in the white / silver color. The ones that I also have in one of my videos, but I got the white version of them. I had to have them. They're so sparkly. Maybe I'll include them in this video just so you guys can see how pretty they are. So you guys can take a look. My beautiful new Guess bag, and the feel of it has like the Guess little monogram, and it's textured and it's so soft. I love it. And all the gold detail is, all the gold hardware on it is, it feels really nice. And I like that you can wear it as a satchel. You can just hold it. You can just put it kind of anywhere and it goes really nice. And I know some people will kind of cringe about my nails, because I do when I see people with chipped nails, but I'm gonna get them redone today. So you guys can take a look. And the shoes I wanted to show you guys that I kind of feel that I want to pair with these in an odd way, but I'm gonna see what my sister says because she styles her stuff so nicely. This is the shoe that I was talking about, that I have the same pair in black, I think it is, like the darker color. And the camera doesn't know justice of how sparkly and beautiful these heels are. These are beautiful. So I don't know why I kind of want them like this, but I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I could be very weird at times in certain things, but we'll have to see. Comment down below if you guys want to see a video on these shoes. They're so sparkly, and when I purchased these, there was a lady buying them for her wedding, and this is the perfect like Cinderella shoe, I would say. So if you guys want to see another video with these shoes, comment down below, like, subscribe, everything you have to do, and I will go ahead and make another video on these shoes specifically. So for now, I'll let you guys go. Well, I'm not holding you guys, but you guys know what I mean. I will say goodbye for now, but I will definitely have more videos coming soon. More unboxing of beautiful bags, maybe shoes, and just other things that I've actually had in mind to show you guys, to see what you guys think, because I love to watch these. So just let me know your comments, any requests, as long as they're not crazy, you know, I can work with it. So just go ahead and comment down below, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys till next time. Bye.